Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Bosley, and today we're going to go ahead and work on our Traxxas Rustler. Sorry it is a little dirty, but what we're going to do today is we're going to fix something that we've done on almost all of our trucks. We're going to go ahead and put a cooling system on this truck. All my sentence and my infraction will also have this eventually as well. But on the Traxxas, it does not have a fan on the motor nor the speed control. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. I got a dual fan setup for the Traxxas because I run duals in all my RC trucks. So we're going to go ahead and keep it with the Traxxas as well. So we're going to have this beautiful red on top of here. And then we also have our speed control fan, which is right here as well, which will go right on top of our speed control here. So it is a little dusty, but we're going to work with what we can get. So we're going to go ahead and first things first, disconnect our motor wires, and we're going to go ahead and loosen this screw here so we can take these wires up and out so we have enough room to go ahead and put on our fan. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alrighty guys, so the install was quite a bit easier than I thought. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to go break into the power box here to connect our fans, but our fans just, basically the heatsink is so tight where it just clips along the motor of the Traxxas, and I guess it's angled to where air is able to still come in and be forced down. So we're going to leave it like that. And then our speed control fan as well also just sits on top of the heatsink here. So, and I just plugged in the power, it's got an auxiliary power right here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and take our two wires here, and we're going to open up our power box here and plug it into our auxiliary power port. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and took off our box here, which will show us our power, and Traxxas has a lot of channels in here. I just went ahead and picked the channel, and I connected our motor fans because the speed control fan has its own wire down here. So I went ahead and put it into channel, and I go ahead and turn it on. All three of these should turn on, which they do. And it does provide a good amount of air, but the true test, we'll see how it performs tomorrow. But we're going to go ahead and tuck our wires in and then connect our motor, and we'll be golden. So alrighty ladies and gentlemen, so that concludes today's video on the cooling system. This was a lot more simpler than our Sentin that we did a little bit ago. But basically, this is just a plug and play. I thought it was a little bit interesting how there's not caps on these fans, but maybe that's just the way Traxxas likes it to be. I don't know. But they do function, all three. Turn it on, all of them go on at the same time, which is perfect. We've got the heatsink on the motor, and they already got the heatsink on the speed control. Got our wires tucked in here as much as possible into our power box here. So guys, we'll go ahead and test this out tomorrow. So you won't see this video for about another week or so. But guys, please give this video a like. I will have the link in the description for both parts of these. They're fairly cheap, guys. These cooling systems are fairly cheap on any RC truck. They're thinking maybe about 20-30 bucks on these. Well worth it, considering motors can be 50 to 100 bucks depending on what kV they are. But guys, please just give this video a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Quad Bosley, and we'll catch you on the next one.